In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your website files in Bluehost and how to safely make updates to your HTML right from your browser. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and heading to My Account. This takes you to your main dashboard where all of your services live. From here, click on Hosting to view the hosting controls for your site. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you're working on the correct one. The file editor will open the files associated with the account and domain you select. Next, open File Manager. This launches the built-in file browser, often powered by cPanel, so you can view and manage the files on your server without any extra software. It may open in a new tab. Give it a moment to load. This is the central place where you can upload, download, copy, move, delete, restore, rename, and edit files. Inside File Manager, double-click the public HTML folder. This is the web root for your primary domain, which means anything inside here is what visitors load when they go to your site. If you're working with an add-on domain or a subdomain, you might see its folder inside public HTML. Otherwise, your main site files are right here. Common pages include index.html and contact.html and similar files. File names are case sensitive on most servers, so double check spelling. Click on the HTML file you want to edit. Before you make changes, it's a good practice to download a quick copy to your computer so you have a backup you can restore if needed. When you're ready, select the file and choose Edit. This opens the code editor in a new window with syntax highlighting to make the markup easier to read. If you see an encoding warning, click Disable Encoding Check to proceed. This option tells the editor to open the file as is, which is typically fine for standard UTF-8 sites. If your pages include special characters or multiple languages, be mindful that the encoding setting controls how those characters display. Make your HTML changes in the editor, then click Save Changes. Saving writes your edits directly to the live server, so your updates are immediately active. Open your site in a new browser tab and refresh to confirm everything looks right. If your browser caches aggressively, a hard refresh can help you see the latest version. If something doesn't look right, return to the editor, adjust the code, and save again or restore your backup. That's it. You now know how to locate, edit, and save HTML files in Bluehost with confidence.